Welcome back. It's Saturday. It's another day with Frank. Just getting started of the day. My Pepsi Max. That's my little bit of caffeine. Don't drink till you're coffee. Anyway, did a bit of progress during the week. I think you saw the cable and the hardware stuff I was talking about. To do with remapping the ECU and getting rid of some of the fault codes, and also actually launch code arrived. Actually, we remapped it. We reflashed it, I should say, or whatever. I think we'd do a separate video on that during the week. So I think it's a bit more interesting and specific for some people and some people not. I won't just chuck it in here. And I haven't really tested it yet. We haven't actually gone out and gone blah, 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 which is what I want to do. But before we do that, we've got a slight problem that I found it the other day, and it's been happening for a while now, so I don't actually know what thing I changed to cause the problem. But obviously we have changed a lot on the inlet, and also we had the top intake off at some point as well, inlet manifold. So basically it's really boggy. It won't rev it, you know. So at some point today we're going to do a bit of diagnostics, take a few bits off, take the air filter off, take some pipes off, see if there's any air leaks, if there's any sensors missing. Not getting any fault codes though, so I think it's more likely an air leak, air blockage, or maybe I've connected up some wires wrong, but the sensors are still being worked. I've had that before, throttle positions and on other cars. But anyway, we'll deal with that later. We're waiting for the flasher hazard warning switch to turn up. It was posted. I've ordered some other things and they've turned up before. So yeah, although the daughter got some Lego this morning, so I don't know if that's the postman gone, or was that just a special delivery for her. So we might have the flasher. We might have a flasher. Anyway, I need to think what I'm going to do. I'm not going to spit early the day to start revving the nuts off this thing to try and do a diagnosis. I think we'll try and do some welding. We'll do some welding because, yeah, we should have done much more welding a long time ago before we started painting. Because I was thinking tomorrow, Sunday, I might try and paint the doors. That's my little sort of plan in my head. Just get the doors off tonight, rub them down tomorrow morning, smack them with green paint, pop them back on. Alright, enough talking, let's do some work. Okie dokie, what we have got is the ducting on the other side. If you don't already know this is my dodgy bit of ducting that bolts to the inside of the wing. We've got an outside bit that bolts on that we haven't made yet, which ducts the air from the sort of the side nasals in. So I thought I'll keep putting it off. We'll try and do a bit more on it. I don't know if I'll finish it, but if we just do a little bit more on it, it's better than nothing, isn't it? Well, even though my welding wasn't going great, that's the end of the welding for the moment. Yeah, finally run out of welding wire. I've got to take the wife to work in a couple of hours, so maybe we can nip somewhere and grab some more. I'll find something else to do now. Yeah. Well, quick Google on the phone. Toolstation had one left in stock. Boom! Ordered. So we can walk up there in a minute or drive up there. It's not very far, so yeah. We're welding again. What spot nose again? There's a different one in it. It's moved. Do spots move? Or do you just get another one? While I'm here, I think we've got leftover cottage pie for tea. We had it during the week. Quite a big cottage pie, so we'll have some more tonight. What are you guys having? Okay, I'll shout. We're taking the air filter off. But look, listen, I'll just try and flip the throttle. You've got to trust me that it did all that way before. I shouldn't have even done the mapping, but you know me, I'll do everything in the wrong order. So yeah, I just took the air filter off, made no difference, so that's a good thing. What I might do is just disconnect the map sensor, or MAF, and just see if that makes any difference, good or bad, because sometimes it's good just to try and track something down. Alright, that didn't make much difference, which is a good and bad thing. I thought, obviously, this map thing, you can put them in the wrong way, and I thought I checked it right. So I might just flip that tube around, connect the sensor up and see if it makes any difference putting the map in backwards or frontwards or correct way. Well, putting it in backwards really made it worse and made the engine cut. So it sort of shows the sensor's working. And we had it going the right way. Well, I was just having some deep pan pizza for lunch, and I started to think, what's my problem? Did a bit of Googling about engines not revving, Subaru, blah, blah, blah. A few people kept saying math sensor, and I'm thinking, well, to be fair, one, it was a bit dodgy when I first got the car. It wasn't perfect pickup, it was all right, but, and thinking, well, one, I've had it laying around in a farm shed for the last 7-8 months, fiberglassing, grinding, I hated the dust. What I'm thinking of doing, well, I was going to go buy a new one, but Euro car parts, it was 150 odd quid or something, or 200 quid. So I'm just going to whack some contact cleaner over the MAF sensor. What am I going to do? Worst case, I make it worse and it has some effect. Best case is I make it better and it has a better effect. So let's just give it a go. Okay, one thing or another, it's nearly the end of the day already. I was going to say I'm not having much luck, but actually I've just noticed I've gone and put the MAF flow meter in the wrong way. Let me go try again. Okay, well, swapping that back round again definitely made it run better than it did a second ago. So it's gone worse, but I've still got it now. I've still got the problem. And so yeah, feeling a bit down at the moment. Yeah, all I can think is the MAF sensor. I need to get a new one. I guess I've just ruined it where it's just been in the thing. I can see on the gauge on the laptop that it is indicating and changing and moving. Whether it's moving enough or not is another question. All I can do is find somebody else with one second hand and just at least just try it and swap it just to see if it makes any difference. So I've wasted quite a lot of the day now doing these sort of things and a few other things and bobs and bits and bobs. Let's see if we can finish off with something productive. Lost interest in Frank at the moment. Goes like that, doesn't it, sometimes? But force ourselves on. Because, yeah, you guys are watching and that helps me, spur me on. That's all my patrons, thank you very much. Let's take the wings off, take the doors off, and so that try and mentally prepare for maybe tomorrow that we can actually get something done. So yeah, let's just do that. Let's take the doors off. I can do that, can't I? I can do it. I can do it, Matthew! Well, that's the passenger door stripped.
So I know it's not cycling today.
Hello. Oh, what's everyone doing so much exercise for? I'm doing my exercise now. So, yeah, we're buffed down the outside. Scotch the inside up. Don't care too much about the inside. I'll smack it. Got to sort my gun out though. I blocked it last time, so yeah. Okay, just want to say thanks to everyone for watching, because if it wasn't for you watching, I wouldn't have actually, I think I would have quit about a couple of hours ago. But what I've just done for now is got the welder, put the new wire in it, finished off this top section here. We've still got to put the 2mm plate on the side still to add some more strength. But yeah, we've got that done, and I'm going to call it a day before things go wrong or don't go wrong. I've ordered, I'm going to regret saying this, I suspect I've ordered a new MAF sensor, proper Denso one, supposedly off eBay. Cost more than double than the other ones, but 3 times cheaper than Euro car parts. So and yeah, unless someone shouts out, oh no, it's because you've got that widget connected there or this, that. As I said, I'm getting no fault codes. It's not revving, it seems to come on boost, or as soon as it's trying to get airflow, it's not detecting it. Could be something completely else as well. I've messed about with loads of stuff. Obviously we've had the inlet manifold off. We've obviously changed all the plumbing here. The diameters are pretty much the same, so it shouldn't be too much. I know that can be a trouble, but I think that only really starts playing up once you start, you should be able to still rev for God's sake. And yeah, throw any advice down you got like that, give me some inspiration, thank you very much. And yeah, maybe we'll crack on and do a bit more tomorrow. So we've got the doors off now, all stripped, so you may get a bonus Sunday video. I'm very busy working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Once that's all out of the way, I want to relax for a little bit and hopefully get a bit of time off and do a bit more on this car. So yeah, Ian, see you Tuesday.